I did a thing. I bought a truck. Specifically, a Dodge Ram. Yes. This is her. So it's a 2013 Ram 1500 with the old 5.7 liter Hemi in there. Yeah, I got a really good deal on it. I've been looking for quite a few months, like 4 months, if not longer, and found this one. So let's see, go on the inside here. So very clean inside. It's one of the more basic packages. So it's not, obviously it's not the crew cab, it's the quad cab, I believe is what they call it. Pop the hood here. Oh yeah. So for this video, what better way to welcome it to the channel than go for a road trip? So packing time. Come on, let's go. You're coming with. Good job. Okay. You can get out there by yourself? No, probably not. All right. There you go. He's coming with today. This is Luca, for everybody that doesn't know. Right, bud? Can't believe I just paid that much for gas. Yeah, definitely a bigger gas tank than what the Honda Pilot has. $130, almost $34. That's crazy. Okay, we made it to Bret's. You ready, bud? All right, I'll see you inside. Well, I wasn't planning on filming anything tonight, but I feel like we have to show this one. Look at that, look at that thing. Got this one last week, up in the mountains. Yep, this is Lucy's lounge.
Just say, show me the car.
Pretty dirty right now. Well, you know.
First stop on the way to camping.
Come on. This is where everybody fuels up. Do you like my truck better than your dad's?
That is not true.
Yeah, you do, huh?
She doesn't.
All right, we're back. It is now tomorrow, and so we're heading out to the Blue Mountains. Be a little tricky getting out of here. I think we got 2.5 hour drive ahead of us.
Ramrod?
Old Henry.
This is Old Henry reporting. Ramrod, here, check, over.
Yeah, Ramrod's hearing you pretty high and tight right now. Why don't you go ahead and pull ahead and take the lead and lead this convoy there, Old Henry.
This is Old Henry proceeding to your 12. You maintain the 6, over.
At all times, yes, sir.
This road for another 12 miles, over.
10-4. Okay, well, buying this truck. how and why. Yes, I did sell my house a couple months ago, and yet some of that money went to purchasing this truck. So I was very lucky in that sense. So originally I was looking at trucks that are a bit more expensive, but then I kind of was like, okay, well, you know, if this is just a camping vehicle mainly, do I need anything really fancy? So no. So I was looking for quite a few months. All the trucks were half tons that I was looking at. Silverados, so they have one of the longest beds. They have a 6'7" bed, and then Rams are 6'5", I believe. And so I kind of wanted that extra length, but then I learned that Ram boxes or beds, whatever, are 2 inches wider. So you lose a bit of length, but you gain some width. I did go test drive a couple. One was like a tradesman level Ram 1500, so bare bones. It essentially was a fleet truck, I think, for a paint company. No towing package, no real like suspension package. And that one was selling for, I think it had about 80,000 miles on it, and it was selling for 17,000. And then basically, yes, this one was more, but I found it, and you know, it had 30,000 less miles. It's only got 56,000 miles on it. Same year, this is the Ram Express, 1500 Express or something like that. So a bit more bells and whistles. It's not crazy. It's not decked out. Like, it doesn't even have Bluetooth actually. But in terms of the plans that I have for the truck, I think I will probably go over that in a later video. I'm going to guess that you guys can guess kind of what I may be doing. That's all I'll say on that. Keep watching my videos to find out more. Gassing up again. What's your guess?
How many gallons?
I was at a quarter tank.
$90.
86.64, pretty close. So another thing I did want to go over, the Pilot is getting old. It's got 200 and almost 30,000 miles on it. You know, it makes some weird noises, suspension's totally shot, and I want to do longer, farther trips, and I just, like the last one that I did down to Oregon, it is in the back of my mind the whole time, like something could break, whatever. So, and then I just needed more space, especially if I want to take Luca with me. So it was time, and you know, the next kind of progression was the truck. I will still keep the Pilot, and I will still do camping trips in it, but I am very happy to have this truck. So, end of rant.
Ramrod here, continuing to be on your 6, and we'll do so until we reach our destination. Over.
Yeah, Ramrod, I'd say if you just maintain my 6.
And Chuck, am I behind me nicely? We will maintain speed.
Absolutely, 10-4. A little shake and bake action here.
Shake and bake, 10-4, old Henry out.
We have hit the gravel road here. See how it goes. Sorry, yeah, we are looking at 5.6 miles right now.
5, I thought you said 7. Okay, 10-4.
I will say though, my truck is gonna be about 10 times as dirty as yours because I've just been getting dusted this whole time.
It's a working man's truck, Ramrod.
Dude, this is a pretty gorgeous drive, I gotta say. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Area of the massive drop off to our right side.
Yeah, that's good to know.
Appears to be a rainbow on our 12. Verify?
Verified.
If you need cash now, call JG at Worth 877. Cash now confirmed.
Need cash now, confirmed. Oh yeah, this is pretty great. says road closed to all motorized equipment. I would think it would be all right if we park here though. There's a little campfire there. Yeah, I think we'll be fine. I'd put it in 4-wheel drive though. We made it. I think this worked out all right. This'll do.
I think this is a perfect spot. This'll do, donkey. That'll do.
All right.
Let's get to setting up camp.
Yeah. Want to come out of the car, bud? Okay. Come in. What do you think? Hi. Yeah. The old Ram made it. So did Bret's truck. So I think we're gonna get camp set up here, and maybe get a fire going. And who knows? We'll see. She is dusty. Want me to hand you stuff?
Sure. Where do I want to put this?
All right, well, I think we're gonna finish getting camp set up. Huh? Just talking to the people, Bret.
Oh.
I will be sleeping, or Luca and I will be sleeping in a tent tonight. I have bigger plans for tomorrow, but that's for another video. And we'll do it in the back of the truck, I think. What do you think about the new truck, huh?
Oh, I think he likes it.
You like it? Yeah. Should we talk to everybody once we're eating hot dogs, maybe? Yeah. That sounds like a plan. Okay. My home is not as robust as Bret's.
So we are just setting up camp. Jordan's got his tent in there. There's the moon off in the distance. Beautiful.
Oh, I like that. Me? I'd say you have it a little better than...
We'll figure it out.
Got an air mattress though, so that's something. Okay, well, that's gonna have to do her. Spot for Luca, spot for me. Time for dinner. Okay, fire time?
Yeah, fire time.
Instant fire. That's it? That's it.
Here.
What?
Ooh. Oh. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's icy.
Oktoberfest. Fitting. When do you want to eat dinner?
Maybe in like half hour. We did not get any ketchup or mustard. Oh, I got chili.
And we have aioli.
I did not buy aioli.
Bret!
So we have hot dogs and chili, but we need a...
Well, we have olive oil and salt.
No.
We don't have any olive oil.
I bought olive oil.
You did, okay.
It was on my list.
So what does that get us? That gives
Oil.
us salty
oil.
Salty oil.
On an already salty, oily hot dog. What are you making there?
This is some chili because we will be making chili dogs.
I mean, we're only 30 miles out.
Yeah.
It might be worth taking a hike. Maybe I should have two.
Maybe.
You got two or one?
One. Just starting out with one.
I'm gonna put two on there. I think that's a good idea.
The old two-dogger.
One. Oh yeah, slide that glizzy off there.
I think call them weenies.
No, I thought they called them glizzies.
I've been to New York.
Yeah?
And I didn't hear anyone say that. I said, hey, I'm walking here.
I'm walking here.
A little bit chili on this bad boy. Oh yeah. Cheese. Chili dog. Probably doesn't look as gourmet on camera as I feel like it looks. Compliments to the chef.
Me?
Yep.
Yes.
Well, doesn't get much better than this.
It don't get better than this. No, it don't get better than this.
Actually, it does. You could have two. He just has one. He's got to make his own.
You make a good point. Lucas cleaning it up. Yep, there he goes.
How's it coming over there, Bret?
It's going really slow, actually.
Firemaster Bret. Just sawing a tree in half that's on fire. Oh, there it is.
Dude, look at that moon.
That's the moon. That's the moon right there, folks. Wow. Yeah, I think in the daytime, wood will not be a problem.
No.
Come on, Luca. Wood.
Oh, nice jump. Just climb that tree, dude.
How do you kill this light?
Click the top. Oh yeah, there we go. It's bedtime.
Well, God.
What?
Huh? I said it's bedtime.
Were you giving me bunny ears, bro?
I was giving you a
Were you giving me freaking bunny ears?
Bro.
Just immature. Okay, bud. Come here. Oh my gosh. Where did all that dirt come from? No. Dude, how are you so dirty? Oh my gosh. It's all curled up. I'm tired. And we'll see you guys in the morning. Morning. It got pretty cold last night. Okay, bud. Come here. Come on. Yeah. Got a little cold last night, but I didn't really want to turn the buddy heater on because I didn't want to burn a hole in the tent. So put a jacket on. We did all right. We had a blanket. We kept each other warm. So. Oh yeah.
That bad, huh?
Pretty much chewing on my coffee right now. Well, on that note, it's probably a good place to end the video. Luca, come here. I need you as clickbait to end my video. Yeah, I just use you for your dogness. Oh. Thanks everybody for watching this video, and I'm glad you guys got to meet the new truck, the new Ram. Okay, go ahead. And Bret, you got any last words?
Over and out.
Over and out. As always, we made it.